Morning folks, it's Jim Langlands here from FX Charts for the currency outlook for the Finance News Network for Thursday the 27th of September. Further negative news from Spain and Greece kept the euro pretty much under pressure today, and the US dollar fairly well bid. This looks likely to continue with the Spanish budget due out later on today, and that's unlikely to make any friends given the further spending cuts that are going to be entailed there. We've got the euro currently sitting at 128.70. It's bounced off its lows at 128.35 with a little bit of short covering, but it's still overall looking pretty heavy to me. We might get a bit more of a rally towards 129, but I don't think we're going too far above there. But Asia looks as though it's going to sit around here, and we'll have to wait and see what happens when Europe get going. Elsewhere, we've got dollar yen at 77.75. That had a very quiet session. Cable broke a little bit lower, that's down at 160, 155, and dollar Swiss is just under 94, got up to 94.17, reached a technical target at 94.10 and has just come back a little bit to 93.95 at the moment. The Aussie, that remains pretty steady. It has recovered from its lows. It got down to just about 103.30 overnight, and we're seeing a little bit of a short squeeze go on there as the euro makes a little bit of a recovery. It's fairly quiet at the moment. We might see a little bit more of a rally towards 104, but I don't think we're going much above there today. And overall, the pressure looks to remain lower as we approach the RBA board meeting next week. And given what's going on in Europe, the players are lifting risk positions really. So the Aussie looks as though it's going to remain a bit heavy. The Kiwi, that's fared a little bit better. That's actually it got down to 81.85, but it's at session highs at the moment at just around 82.5. There's good resistance there. A break might see a bit of a move towards 82.85, but once again at the moment that's pretty quiet. I wouldn't expect too much out of Asia again today, but once Europe do get going, aside of all the politics that are going on, we've got German unemployment data, and then later on in the day US durable goods and the GDP numbers will be released. That's really about it for today, though. If you do want a more comprehensive outlook on the markets, go to the website as usual, www.fxcharts.com.au. And that aside, please just remember that any outlook mentioned here is a personal view only and not intended to be used as trading advice. So that's all for today. Have a very good one, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Cheers.